Hello fellow traders, Paul Lemmel, Bitcoin Trading Club. I've got a PBC zone trade here. It's setting up real well. It's actually a really good pattern quality on this thing. And let me just break down the cycles for you on this. This is a 5 BMI setup coming off of the pullback, bottomed out around a little bit before 2023. So 5 BMI breakout, about a vector of 3, a little bit lower than that if you go to real sharp breakout points, but generally just the overall trend, about a vector of 3 on it. And the pullback into the cup, we had a TM2 plus cycle. It's a 3 to 5 month cycle, 3.5 month cycle, and a little bit over that, a little bit closer to the 4 month area, but the fractal setup in that area there. Then we had a TM3, that's a 5 to 7 month cycle, and the price squeeze you can see coming in. The pullback off of that cycle set held above the first cycle, Cat 1 pullback, so we have a price squeeze coming in there. We also have a couple of psychological price points. You have a 750 PPP. It kind of bottomed out on the pullback, a little bit above it, and then a breakout to near the 1250 PPP and a pullback retesting $10 psychological price points. Right now we have a good setup on a PBC zone in the right hand side TD3 cycle. You got the breakout of 1250 PPP, and we get the ceiling of that around a $15 psychological price point. So you probably just play the pullback off of this. Again, I always like to look for a 5, 10, 25 breakout on scaling in 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 based on breakout of 5-day high, 10-day high, and a 25-day high. This might actually not give you enough bars here because it's acting pretty good on a pullback. So you may only get a couple bars on this pullback total. But if you still wanted to just wait on that, 5, 10, 25 might be right there. You might be all 100% in on a breakout of that little TD3 TSS cycle set spike. Let's go ahead and look at the price targets based on cycles. Okay, here are some price targets based on the cycles off the low. The breakout from the cup was basically a TM2 cycle, 3.5 months off the lows, and already hit the X channel right here, the $14, $15 area. And then the TM3X is around $17 or so. The 4X is close to the $20 marks. But in all actuality, this one should play itself out over the next 1 to 2 years. It's not a real high vector stock, but a really good chance of it producing a couple 100% out of the PBC zone. And again, the highs on that is around $15. So 2 times 15, 30 plus 15, $45. I would think would probably be a good minimum target. That would be a couple 100% from here. Let me see here. 250% or so. And good likelihood of it hitting that. Let's look at the stock rating on it. Okay, stock rating on Mama is a B-91. Again, this is a PBC zone trade, BMI 5, vector 3, risk profile is B, and current market rating is A+. And B-91 means it's really close to triggering, and could be a really good pop out of that PBC zone over the next several months on it. So looking pretty good. Again, this is MAMA, Mama's Creations, Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtrading.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.